have you got the Dyson Cyclone Animal V10, which is a great vacuum cleaner, but the problem is the battery is useless. So what I've done is I've removed the battery. There's one screw here and there's two screws here. I've already taken the screws out. Three screws here. And then if we pull out the battery, that's the weedy little battery. So we discard that, and what we want is an adapter called a MT18 V10. For Makita 18 volt lithium battery, works with V10 vacuum cleaner. So that's it. And we just push it in to the same socket where the battery we've just removed came from. Then we screw the screws back in. So I'm using this great little electric screwdriver. And that's one screw. There's two screws. And then that's three screws. So it's now ready to accept a new battery, which has a bit of oomph and a bit of clout. So now, I originally ordered these batteries, 18 volt, 5.5 amp lithium-ion batteries, which actually don't have enough oomph in them. So instead, I ordered the Makita 6 amp, not 5.5 amp, 18 volt lithium-ion batteries. So you charge them up, and you see if you press the button on them, it lights up and shows you the full charge, right? And you take it on the back here and you just slot it in like that. That now will give you superb power and charging. You see that's on the max charge straight away, and it will last for quite a long time, much longer than this old battery. Keep that as a spare, but these Makita batteries, make sure you get proper real ones, and again I'll send you the link for them. The prices can vary dramatically, and that turns your Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal into a real animal of a vacuum cleaner. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a like, and thanks very much. It's that easy. So you take the three screws out, 1, 2, 3, slide the battery out, which is that's the old battery. You push in this adapter, and then at the bottom of it you plug in the Makita, and then you have a battery and vacuum cleaner that is man for the whole house, man up to the whole house. Have a nice day, and see the links that I'm attaching where you can buy these, the adapter and the Makita battery. Thanks a lot. Bye.